Hello, hello, it's Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts, and I am back to do a very quick video today. Not too long of a video. I need to glue some of these little things down. They've got my attention. So since they have my attention, that means I better take care of them. Little bit of Fabri-Tac. There we go. That'll be better. We don't want them breaking off. So let me show you what I've done. Not much. I did add these flowers here because I didn't like the way I straight cut that and then angled it. So I put these flowers on here to cover that up with this butterfly. So I did that. And then, let's see, we have finished that up with you. Oh, right here, I put this pocket in. This is a pocket that came with the kit. It was part of the purchase of the digitals. And I backed this with a raspberry dyed paper. And it is a perfect match to this blue here, so it turned out great. And I just used the Martha Stewart edge punch and made some little design here for the card and the pocket. Then I saw I had these and I thought I sure want to use those and I want to make pockets. So I sewed in a little piece of packaging. I just set it on the packaging like so, and I stitched around it. The reason I set it, kind of more towards the middle was so if there was any slippage I could correct it. There wasn't any. I used this I kept it doubled so it would be stronger. And then I used a 3.5 inch stitch here around the edge. And you can see that's what it looks like. So now I have these two lovely little see-through pockets, and we're going to place them in here. So let's see, this is where our journal is going to be, right here. So let's go ahead and put these, I don't know, I want to cover this a little bit and then or at least get them in between those, the edges there. And we'll use Fabri-Tac because of the plastic. And then we'll have two nice little see-through pockets, and I think that will be very cool. I had to cut these pretty close to the seams here, to the stitching. And those that I couldn't get in there and cut close to, I just cut right along the edge. And it worked out great. Now, let's see if this works out great. So we're going to put on the Fabri-Tac. Going to keep it right on the stitching. Hopefully, it won't bleed too much into the rest of it. Okay, leave the top free, of course. And there we have a pocket with some butterflies in it. Now, just like that, it doesn't really look like a pocket. Make sure I didn't get near any bends or folds. Okay, I think I'll put that towards the bottom because I have a little oops in my stitching right there. So let's oops it down towards the bottom. But I thought by gluing my stitching, it should hold everything together pretty good. There. This one I didn't quite cut close enough, but it's, you know, I think it's pretty good. I don't want to get too close to the threads. Okay, so now we have 2 yummy little pockets, and we need to make something to go inside those yummy pockets. Let's see what we have here. Those could be good for something else. Here we go. We have some tags. Let's go with some tags. So, find a piece of paper. How about this? With the sun and the writing on it, but we'll turn it over so that it's still easy to write on. So let's see. I think I like these the best. I want to snip them off right up here. Like so. And we're going to put them on here like this. Okay? And then we'll cut around them. And we will glue stick, just to be brave. Okay, so Shannon at Mixed Media, Minnesota, where are you, my dear? Haven't seen the video. I hope you're okay, and I hope your family's okay. And hope everything's good with your family and everything else. Been a little worried about you. So there we go. Towel, please. Okay. Now I should wait till these are dry before I clip them, but I'm recording, so I am not going to wait. No. If I had something else to do while these dried, I would do that. But I didn't pick out a lot to do. I just wanted to get a quick video done before I go to eat my dinner. And my husband is making snickerdoodle bars right now. So those ought to be good. I've never had a snickerdoodle bar. I don't think he has either. So, there we go. There. felt bad today. I went searching for Carol Maritime. She's I hadn't listened to her videos in a long time, and I thought, gosh, I really want to go listen to some of her videos and catch up. And gosh, I found out she passed away last June. So I just left a little message there. But gosh, I felt bad. You know, there's so many artists and stuff, and you try to kind of check in, you know, here and there through your list. But, you know, you don't always get to all of them, that's for sure. And, gosh, it's just really sad. Okay, so now we can put these in there, and we can still see our flowers on our tags. Those tags are a little too tall for up there, so we're going to be needing like a journal card up there. So let's see what we can do for that. Now I have something that she has made, and actually they both might do this even more justice than it does those. Let's look. We have, oh, these. I tried to glue that one. Let's see. I'm going to snip them off here with a little room so that I can back them with some journal cards. Oh, that's going to be too big, isn't it? Oh, darn. I was hoping it would work. I think I could cut this one down, and it could stick up here a little bit. First, let's back it. We have our paper here. In here. We'll go ahead and back it right like that, because I know I'm going to cut some off to make it fit in that pocket. So these did come as part of her kit. And Heather's channel, or not channel, sorry, Heather's Etsy is listed down below. She is Woodland Woodland Silver. Oh, sometimes my brain is just thinking too many different directions right now. I'm so sorry. I think it was just, I felt bad about Carol and that I hadn't kept up, and it was just kind of sad. Well, it is sad. It's very sad. It was sad for me. Sad for all of us. She was a very good artist. Okay. Ooh, almost. Look at that. It's so close. Not quite. Almost there. Almost. I'm wrinkling it because it's still wet with glue. Okay. I'm going to round this a little bit so it will slip in and out of the pocket better. And then we'll go ahead and round it up here a little bit. And over here a little bit. And that way, if it is crooked at all, it won't really be noticeable because your eye will see the curves. Okay. Got to get it under that little plastic there that is there in the way. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Fantastic. I love it. See? We've got a little journaling card in there. We have these in here, but we could, you know, cut this down and put that in there if we wanted to do that. I think I have some more of these things too. But isn't that cool? It's a little pocket made with plastic and using up things that we have in our stash. Okay, that is all I really wanted to do today, was to get that off of my mind. Yay, I have that off my mind now. I can move on to the next thing. Do you ever do that? Your mind is so on things that you have a hard time moving to the next. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I'm going to clean up my desk. I hope to put down my new mat this weekend. I'm still working on my digitals. I haven't told you what they are yet. But I will be, I hope, on Monday or Tuesday doing a share of what they are and have them on my Etsy site. They're not for everybody, but for those who like or love that kind of thing, they are amazing, I must say. So I will be very excited to share them with you. It takes a while to do a bunch of digitals because I like to make a big kit. And, well, you know, if you make digitals, you know what it's like. So, okay, well, I'm going to let you go, and I will see you on Monday. I hope you all have a great day, and I hope you'll make some of these really cool pockets. They are too much fun. No, not too much fun. They are a lot of fun. Quick and easy. Get out your saved plastic, and away you go. And find some cute little pieces to put in there, and it'll be grand. Okay, see you on Monday. Bye-bye.